Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to style a group of HTML elements with same styling. HTML provides us with an attribute called class for this purpose. Let's try an example to understand it better. Say you have this website. So you've got an image, some text for that, another image, some text for that, another image, and some text for that. And you want to give all of these pairs similar style. So one way is to give the same styling to individual elements. Let's give that a try. So for the first one, let's give it a style, say width 250 pixels and height 250 pixels. Similarly, let's give it for the other one. Similarly, let's give it for this last one. Let's save it. Let's bring it up. And now, as you can see, the images are of the same size. Similarly, let's give some styling to the paragraphs. So let's say style, font size, say 24 pixels, and line height, say 1.5. And let's give it a margin of bottom. So margin bottom, say 32 pixels. Similarly, let's give it to other two. Let's save it. And now, as you can see, we've got image, some text, image, some text, image, some text. All the images, they look alike. All the text, it looks alike. So now, the problem is every time I have to change style, I will have to change it for each element. And that is very cumbersome. Right now, we just have 3 elements. Imagine if we had like 100. We wouldn't change it for each element, right? So that's where another way comes into picture. We can use classes to bring all the styles together. So let's try an example for that. So let's add a class to our image, say class. Let's give it a value, say planet image. All right. Similarly, let's add these classes to other images as well. So here and here. Now, we can also define styles inside the head tag of HTML. So let's do that. So we need to use the style tag and we need to put all our styles inside here. To get access to a class, we use dot and the name of the class. So in our case, which is planet image, we use curly brackets, and inside these curly brackets, we give all the stylings. So in our case, we had width and height. Let's bring it up here. And let's remove the style attribute from here. Similarly, we can remove it from here, and we can remove it from here. Let's save it. Let's bring this up. And as you can see, still our images are the same size. Now, for example, I want the images to be bigger, say 350 pixels. So I would just do 350, 350, and when I save it, all my images grow. So that's the benefit of using classes. So all the HTML elements with the same class will get affected by these stylings. So that's the beauty of using classes. So every HTML element that has this class will get these stylings. So we'll have the width of 350 and the height of 350 pixels. Similarly, let's change it for our paragraphs. Let's add a class here. Let's say planet description. Let's add this class here and here. Similarly, to access a class, we need dot. So dot, the class name, which is planet description. curly brackets, and we need to write all our styles inside this. So let's bring the styles. So we've got font size, line height, and margin bottom. Let's remove the style attributes from all our paragraph elements. So this is gone. Similarly from here, and similarly from here. Let's save it. And as you can see, still everything looks alike. Let's change the font size. Let's say we need a smaller font, say 16 pixels, and we need a smaller line height, say 1.3. Let's save it. And now, as you can see, the font size got reduced for the first one, second one, as well as the third one. So that's how we style a group of HTML elements using the class attribute. That's all for now, guys. If there is something you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.